Hey friends, welcome to my channel Arissa and I'm your Vinay Venkatesh. Today we are talking about HubSpot account creation. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your new HubSpot account, inviting your team and customizing your default settings. Whether you're using HubSpot for marketing, sales or customer service, these steps are crucial to get started. So let's get started. There are multiple ways to sign up. The most common method is using your email address and your name. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google login or Apple ID. Navigate to the HubSpot account creation page, fill in your details and click Get Started. Once your account is created, you'll be automatically logged in. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be making a follow-up video to answer all your questions and provide additional guidance. Thanks for watching and welcome to HubSpot. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thank you.